Hey guys, and welcome to another video and another episode on how-to guides. Today we are going to show you how to take this door handle off a Ford Fiesta Mk7 and also this door lock. So we're just going to get off then by just opening the door, obviously. And as you can see in here, there, see this little black cap? We just got to prise that off with a little pick tool.
And with the pick tool, we would just get behind this bit of plastic and this just pops off. And if you can just see in there, and inside this hole, you can just see in there that Torx T20 piece. We just need to unscrew that, and that will allow this section of the lock to come out, and we will pull that out. So we're just going to undo this T20. So now we've undone the T20. It goes anti-clockwise, and it feels like you turn it for quite a while, but turn it right the way until it gets really loose, and then really loose, and then this just wiggles out, and that's your door lock there. These quite often fail. And then regarding the door handle, this would, now you've removed this lock, this would open up, pull out, so you'd pull towards you, and then that comes out with the gasket there, look, and then it just comes that side. And there is your door handle. So there we are. There's your door lock and door handle off. If you do need these parts, check us out on www.streetautomotive.co.uk. And if you want to see any more how-to guides, then please subscribe to the channel, and we will keep pushing more how-to guides out there for you. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.